I'm here at the Livingston Depot train show, Railfair today. The grain train was sitting here waiting for cars to leave. It's got a lever set on the back made up of BNSF SD70 Max from the 90s. We have a Q train inbound. They're headed up Bozeman Pass. Can't get any closer than that. Get their pusher set going on. While that's happening, we'll do a quick walk around. It's the old baggage room, part of the building, with the monad in place. This is now a couple of businesses, or a winery, and I don't remember what else here. A nice covered canopy. The historic Murray Cafe and Hotel across the street. Dan Bailey's fly fishing shop. Down here, we have the Livingston Railroad Club layouts. Got the entrance here. Somebody made a hand painting. That's a quilt. Gardener. Wonderfully done model. Level of detail is intense. Other stuff on the wall. Buffalo, of course.
Yeah. How many early talking about? Yeah.
Yellowstone and the road to it. Another collection on the wall. And this room also is in scale out. This club has a little bit of something for everyone. Fire. Pile up. A lot of detail on this little scale out. People everywhere. Going biker. And then we'll pull away from this. Start on the HO scale layout again. Coming down the hill. Just right. Audio right up there. Irritated.
There's something on the track.
You have something screaming and hollering in here. I heard it.
Well, that's what I'm going to have to wait and see here.
You can grow wings and fly over the top.
Well,
Right?
there's a way to get in the back, but I think this one I can reach from here. I've got this
We'll go back to the Lionel and we're done walking
That's the
through here.
second time that's done that. And it blows a fuse each time, so I'll have to replace that.
That's a nice shovel.
Let's get down here.
Trains aren't running here. There's something new.
Figures.
Billboard. Working on the car shop here, looks like. Good old Montana Rail Link. Can't beat that. Well, DNP you can beat. You can beat that, but I'm prejudiced. MRL's dedicated units. Back to Lionel in the same room. There's the airplane view. Annie, Clarabelle, and Thomas. Nice F unit. Again, the detail is intense. Squeeze by it for a second. Thank you, sir. Like a lit up depot. Somebody's crawling around, going to open up and get in there. Oh. We see Godzilla's hands approaching. And he's there.
Yeah.
Something on track. Part of the fun of long trains. Even in the big scales. Very good layout. Then we're on the corner to the rest of it. Oh, excuse me. Hey. Oh, down south. Part hasn't changed much. Zoom in a little bit with the journal scene. Park. I go to details, kids. Hope we're going to look at Pen because we have a rail fan. The Empire Building going by. We'll go quick pan on back where it's going behind all this cityscape that we're looking at. Beautiful. I'm not going to point it out, it's in the middle. Shark on a trailer. Steam engine, doing nothing for a minute. Some nicely animated lighting issues. Garbage truck. Police and fire. Bring it to me. Green signals. Some wildlife up here. Wild horses, deer, longhorns. That kind of river. Yeah, full of action. Maybe on the corner here. I've been here a while. Tree grew through it. Nice area. All the real locomotives are. Steam motors. Beautiful antique. A class A. A great motor going again. Got a lot of rail link, of course. Rocky Road. Nice and peaceful.